Oh, she just came out. Well, I'm gonna announce it right here, which is Miss Blue is a mother of 4 eggs, 3 remaining, and Mr. Mello is a father. She's coming out to stretch her wings. She'll probably go right back into the nest, which I'm not going to disturb. But maybe I will show the eggs on camera just so you guys believe me. I'm gonna check on them anyway. Oh, there they are. There's the 3 eggs. Let me get a better shot. Wow. So let me make sure it's sealed up. No, hold on. Okay. Don't worry, I didn't touch your eggs. Jeez. She's checking on them. That's good. They're all in a group. That means she's laying on them. Yep. Mello's being a good husband, boyfriend, whatever you want to call him, because he is constantly getting the seeds, drinking the water, regurgitating to his woman. And actually the first egg, the reason she lost that one, she didn't lay on it. She slept up on the swings as usual. See, look, he's defending the nest. He's putting his wings out like that. So they've made it before, but she never laid eggs until this past couple weeks. And anyway, her egg, she didn't sit on it overnight, so we put it on the bottom of the cage at first, and then I actually picked it up and like showed it to her, like, hey, you see this egg? You gotta lay on the next one you get. And she has. Surprisingly, she has. And she's been consistently, let's see, since last Tuesday or Wednesday, she's been sitting on the eggs all day long. And you saw how quickly she went back in that nest, like, let me check on them eggs, see if that human touched them. So yeah, Mello's protecting his woman, taking care of her, and now I'm gonna leave him alone. Good job, Mello. Good job, Mello. Alright. So cross your fingers for a successful clutch, I believe they call the eggs from hatching and all that stuff.